how to set the screen recordings to record both media and microphone sound or just media sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on advanced features. In here, scroll down and then tap on screenshots and screen recordings. Next, we scroll down again and then tap on record sound. From the pop-up, you can choose between media or you could select media and microphone. And that's it. Once you have made your selection, you can start your screen recordings. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.